Have you ever started writing your tender bid after downloading the tender document just to catch a new notice saying Corrigendum issued or Addendum added? Especially for those not in the know when it comes to tendering, it can be quite mind-boggling. Now let us simplify it and make it readable. In a tender, the Corrigendum shows that something has changed or revised in original document. That would be like having to fix an error or change fundamental rules. In many cases, update could be something simple like a typo, or it can be a change in technical specification, change in eligibility criteria, change in BOQ, etc., and sometime bid submission date extension as well. Conversely, an addendum indicates that the tender document has been updated with new information. It merely adds more requirements or details. It doesn't replace the original. It can range from more plans or drawings, further terms and conditions, or clarifications by the tendering authority after a pre-bid meeting. Both addenda as well as corrigenda are issued by the tendering authority to disseminate information to all bidders, such that before they submit their bids or participate in procurement process, everyone has most current and complete information. Both may even interfere with the way you build your tender. If you ignore them, things can cause major issues. Even the tiniest tweak could affect your bid preparation process as a whole. If you miss a corrigendum, the situation is you could submit wrong pricing because the quantities in BOQ are increased. If you overlook an addendum, you might miss a new technical requirement. No matter how competitive your offer may be, these sorts of mistakes can very often mean that your bid will simply not be considered in any government tenders. Making it a habit to frequently check the tender portal after downloading the documents is the best way to deal with this. Before the submission deadline, don't assume that everything will remain the same. When an addendum or corrigendum is released, make sure to read it thoroughly and comprehend the changes that have been made. Whether that means adding new compliance forms, updating your pricing, or changing technical details, make the necessary adjustments to your bid documents. To ensure your team is working with the most recent version of the tender requirements and to have documentation of the changes, always keep a copy of the corrigendum or addendum with your records. To put it briefly, winning a tender requires both an addendum and a corrigendum. Monitoring them could mean the difference between being accepted or rejected. Thanks for watching, and remember, in tendering, every detail counts, so stay updated and stay ahead.